Isn't it annoying when your friend comes home, opens your phone and then uses any app? They simply don't seem to be care about your privacy, whether it's your chat messages, photos, trackers or anything, and you certainly don't like that. Well, we recommend a strong application that understands your privacy very much and locks down your chosen app with one single tap. Yes, we are talking about Secure Lock apps for Android. Now let me tell you how Secure Lock for apps works. Install Secure Lock for apps from Google Play Store and open it. Create a 4-digit passcode and reconfirm it. Add a recovery email address and save it. Enable the application from the next section and choose all those apps that you want to keep away from prying eyes. Applications will be listed in your phone and you can simply tap on the lock button. If the button turns green in color, the application is secured. If you wish to know the features, let me show you. Secure Lock apps for Android can lock your app behind your own fingerprint or a newly created PIN. It has an interactive interface, so you do not need assistance for navigation. It doesn't let any unauthorized person access your WhatsApp, Facebook, photos or money transfer apps. This application is very light on your phone and uses minimum battery power to keep the performance up to mark. Even if you lose or forget your PIN, you can recover it via your email address. Simple, isn't it? So download it today and secure your apps from your inconsiderate friends. So that's all for today's video.